If you turn on your vehicle's AC and it emits a mildew smell, it's probably been a little while since you last used it. With the vent and duct cleaner and new fogger from AC Pro, you can reduce the smell of mold, stale air, and smoke from your system. Our vent and duct cleaner is simple to use. With the car fan on high and recirculation mode turned off, locate the fresh air intake duct on the exterior of the windshield near the bottom. Spray slightly less than half the can into the intake. With the vehicle off, spray the remaining cleaner into your system through the vents. Make sure to disperse them evenly through each one. When you're finished with the treatment, open the windows and make sure to allow the vehicle to ventilate for 5 to 10 minutes while the fan is running on high. You can also try our new AC Pro Fogger. It's another fast and easy way to reduce odor and freshen the interior at the same time. Now your car should be blowing cool, fresh air. Thanks for choosing AC Pro as your expert in car AC systems. Be sure to check out all of our products at acprocold.com.